It takes smart engineering to make something that's simple, effective, and more efficient. That's the RCV 2000 fan drive from Horton. Conventional open system fan drives take longer to install, are more complicated, have multiple hoses that are connected to the engine, and run the risk of oil leaks and engine failure. The RCV 2000 is a fully closed system. It doesn't use engine oil, and there are no hoses or lines connected to the engine. Just a simple electrical connection. And it's easy to install and operate. Once in, its closed-loop system delivers precision controls through an integrated speed sensor and automatic programmable controller. That translates into a lower parasitic load on the engine and lower fan speeds. Engines warm up quicker with less noise and better fuel efficiency. Plus, there's less worry about breakdowns, maintenance, even downtime. With the RCV 2000, less is more, in more ways than one.